There it is, boys. I just pulled a 4.1 out my ass. Yeah, that's my new best. I was at a 4.2, now I'm at a 4.1. I'm so close to 3.9. You see it. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. Today, we're going to talk about what's going on with Cerberus, new upgrades that I'm going to be doing, and there's like a weird stuttering issue that we're going to talk about too. Let's get into it. All right, we are in Cerberus, and you see it, the most blue interiors you've ever seen. But we're in Cerberus, and we're going to talk about what's going on with the car, what I got planned. So there's like a stuttering issue, pretty much the same. Let's see if we'll do it. The same stuttering issue I was having before with the RIP coil packs, but that was a misfire. It's not exactly the same, but there is a stuttering issue again. So between like 1600 RPMs and 2600 RPMs, if I'm like cruising or getting up to speed, the car will go It's like a weird stuttering thing. So at first I thought it was my transmission. I'm like, oh man, I got warned about this. They told me this was coming. But then I got into the forums, and there's a great Facebook group that I just joined, and they're saying that it's not my transmission, it's a tuning thing. So basically people are saying it's a tuning issue. Oh man. They're saying that it's a tuning thing, which is not as bad, because I was worried. I was like, man, I ain't trying to buy no transmission right now, brother. I ain't gonna lie. So I had to get my tune straightened out. I got a couple mods. I got a new ported throttle body, 80 millimeters, ported upper and lower intake manifolds. So what else did I add? I added a new 180 degree thermostat. So even though that joint is not working, some people are saying that I have to get my car retuned for it to actually start working. But as of right now, that thing ain't working. So I'm gonna rehold my review until I get my car retuned, and then if it's still not working, I'm putting my old one back in, the one that actually comes with the car, because it says 180 degree thermostat, but that joint be like 205, 210. And it's like my body weight. So until I figure out what's going on with that and I get retuned, I'm gonna hold my review. But I got some new stuff that I'm thinking about doing. There's this crazy body kit. I want your guys' opinion on it, because some people say they hate it, and I don't want to bring nothing to the channel that people won't like. But I mean, at the end of the day, I know it is my car. But you know, I like input. I like input. It's not like it's my car. I pay for it. Whatever. I don't care what you guys think. I mean, I definitely look. You felt that? Damn. Of course you didn't feel that. You saw it. You saw me go like this. But that was the stuttering thing I was talking about. It's normally like off a turn or when I'm about to pick up speed and then yeah. So I'm thinking about either a wide body kit or this other body kit. So I want you guys' opinion on it. See if we could bring something crazy to the channel, something that's, you know, unique, and just keep going with the unique builds. You know, I don't want to do something that everybody's doing. Excuse me. Oh man, heartburn. I don't want to do something that everybody's doing. I want to do something unique and that people are going to enjoy, you know, get inspired by. So that is the plan, and I'm thinking about a mid muffler delete. I'm thinking about deleting my mufflers. Get out of here, champ. You know what this is? Oh, snap, the police. And he's waiting for me to pass. Damn. I wasn't speeding. Those was jokes. I'm about to turn. Yeah, he behind me now. And he got caught at the red light. Yeah, sucker. I was speeding. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing this mid-muffler deletions. But you know, V6s with mid-muffler delete, that's really hit or miss. That joint might sound terrible. So I've been thinking about it for a few months now, but I was too scared. But I'm gonna just do it. I mean, if it sounds terrible, well, I'll work my way around it and do what I gotta do to get it fixed and make it sound less like a lawnmower and doo-doo. So I gotta get the car retuned. I mean, I guess it's about time since I got all those new mods I threw on. So I'm gonna get the car retuned. So hopefully soon I'll be able to throw the car back on a dyno. So if you were unsure about the 450 horsepower to the wheels that I claim, you will be able to see that claim. Even though I showed you guys my dyno sheet before, we'll be getting a new updated dyno sheet with the new mods. So hopefully it's like 460, 475 to the wheels. That would be awesome, you know. Big numbers with the most all-wheel drive. So if anybody can recommend me some gauges or what you're using on your boosted car, whether it's RIP or not, or Mopar or not, I need some gauges. So that's another thing I want to bring to the channel, some good gauges. Yeah, mid muffler delete. I'm just trying to bring you guys up to speed. I'm kind of freestyling. Mid muffler delete. I need some new gauges. I need to get it back on the dyno so you guys can see that. I'll give you guys like a walkthrough of national speed in Richmond, and just bring a whole lot of stuff to the channel. Because as you see, we're at like 650 subscribers at the time of me recording this video. So we're just going up from here, man. The pack is strong. I need to start uploading more, because I know that has YouTube's algorithm. The more you upload, the more people see your videos, the more subscribers you get. So I need to definitely start uploading more. Stop depriving you guys of the Cerberus. Hey, bro. Dude, weed whacking, man. Yeah, so I want you guys to keep following the build, keep supporting the channel, and I really just want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys. Maybe I should do a giveaway or something. Like, I don't know. I want to do a giveaway though. You know, give back to the subscribers. Because honestly, when I started this journey, I know that most V6 channels don't get that much support. So it's good to see that people are supporting the V6 channel. Because you know there's more V6s than V8s. Like, it's not even a contest on that. There's definitely more of us than V8 channels. So it's nice to see myself and the other V6 channels that have started getting some support. Shout out to all of them. I'm not gonna name everybody because there's a few now, but shout out to all of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I can't think of anything else I really want to talk about. Just let you know that we're going to be back on the dyno soon. Back on the dyno, muffler delete. So we're going to be at my exhaust shop, so you guys can see where I get have my exhaust and stuff put on. So back on the dyno, back in the exhaust shop, and yeah, we're just gonna be building from there. You know, my goal is a 3.90 to 60. We are currently at a 4.1. I just got that the other day, and I was just coming home from work. I wasn't even trying. There's a challenger behind me. If he wants some smoke, about to blow the doors off that man as soon as we get out this neighborhood. But if you want some smoke, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. But for right now, I'm gonna turn the camera off, and I'll holler at you guys in a second. I'm gonna close this video out. Keep doing that damn stuttering thing, man. Yeah, so definitely got to get this thing retuned. That stuttering thing it's not bad, because if I'm really driving hard, then it doesn't happen, or maybe it's happening so fast that I don't even notice. But if I'm cruising and that stuttering thing happens, why are you braking, brother? Why are you braking, brother? Drive your car, champ. Drive your car. Yeah, so gotta get it retuned, man. Gotta get it retuned. I'm just glad. Well, I don't want to say I'm glad it's not my transmission, because I'm not sure. But I'm hoping that these guys in the forums are right, because those are like the car guys for real. I'm not. I'm a car apprentice, a car guy in training. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You hear Cerberus in the background making all that noise, but I appreciate you guys watching. Me and Cerberus.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.